What's going on, guys? So I got another video for you guys today. Once again, a little bit different, but it's gonna be a quick unboxing of this brand new generator I got, and I'll also be kind of showing you guys some of the things I bought for it. I'm going to be doing the break-in period. Honda actually doesn't recommend a break-in period for this one. I don't know about the 2000 or the older 2200. I don't know anything about those, but they don't recommend a break-in period for this. But I'm going to do a break-in period regardless. And there's a couple different recommendations on how to do that. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. But that's going to be for later on. Today I just wanted to show you guys the generator and then just do a quick unboxing. So it's the EU2200i. So it's an inverter generator, and this one has the Bluetooth, so it's the newest one. It's been out for a couple months, I believe. So here's just some of the claims on it, the runtime, the weight, all that. So this one, I've actually been looking for one of these for a while. This is actually my dream generator. I wanted to get just a 2200, but then I discovered that there was one with Bluetooth, which is this one. So I was looking for used ones for the 2200s for a while, just never pulled the trigger. Then I found out about these and I was like, okay, I need to have one of these. I just have to have one. And besides this one, I actually currently right now I have 5 other Honda generators. They're not Honda generators, they're Honda powered generators. So they have Honda engines, but they're miscellaneous brands. And those are just some that I bought, kind of fixed up, clean them up, and I'm gonna resell those. One of those was actually my personal generator that I used, but obviously I'm replacing it for this one because it's brand new. Another fun fact is that this is my first generator I've ever bought brand new because it's still sealed in the box. But I actually got it for $900. They retail for $1,100 or so right now, at least in my local Home Depot. So I'm just gonna open it up. The way I got it for that price, by the way, is I actually bought it from a pawn shop not too far from where I live. And it's a little sketchy at first, because I was like, how are you guys able to to sell one of these for that price? Because Home Depot being bigger, they still have it for obviously the retail price. But I didn't know it was a pawn shop because they posted an offer up. So I messaged them and I offered $900 because they had it for $1,000, which is still kind of low for a brand new in-box generator, the newest one. So I offered $900, and the lady was like, okay, I'll accept the offer. So I was like, all right, say no more. So first of all, excuse the setting here. I'm actually in my camper. I have this little camper just in the back of my house, so I'm decided to sleep here. And it's just something cool. But this is where I am right now, and this is just where I kind of put it, just stored it. I've had it for maybe a week, and just today I'm opening it. So now to the actual box here. I just opened it up. The first most important thing you're going to see and you're going to want to notice is that it says there's no oil. So the generators, usually when you get them brand new in the box like this, they don't have oil in them. Somebody at the place where you're getting it from just so happened to put this box upside down or something, then it'd be kind of a disaster with the oil. So as soon as you open it, this is what you see. You see the top of it, and then you have your owner's manual. So this one would be for the 2200i and the 2200i companion. If I find the cheap companion at some point, I might get that, but this should meet all my needs. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this top part off. So you just pull it right off, throw that to the side, and then here's the generator right here. So it's just covered in a plastic bag, and then there you have your generator. It's like really snug in there. It's got just a couple millimeters of clearance, but let me put this on the ground real quick, and then I'll pull the generator out onto the bed. Sorry about that, I just got you guys falling everywhere. Oh wow. I've never seen one of these close up in person. I've seen them in person, you know, before, or at least the like older ones, but I've never seen them in person this close, and it's pretty thick in a great way, of course. So that's literally all that you get in there. So you just get the generator itself. I am noticing that my my cover here is popped up a little bit, so I'll fix that real quick. Looks like it was probably a handling issue there with the box. Maybe that's why I got it cheap, right? Anyway, I'll do that with a coin if I can find one. Oh, here it is. Found the coin. So the cool thing is that people complain about the fact that you have to unscrew the screw, and that tools are required, right? Which technically they are, but it's really not that bad. I just used a quarter that I found laying around here. So everything looks the way it's supposed to. So there you go. Everything is brand new on it. So I didn't get scammed. So here, I'm just gonna put this back. Oops, it goes into the little slots there. And there, now it's flush. And I'm just gonna tighten this back up with a quarter. And of course you could use a screwdriver, really whatever you have laying around that fits on there. But like I said, I'm gonna make a video just to show you some goodies that I got for it, that a lot of people usually get when they get them brand new. I'm trying to take care of this thing and do everything properly, so that's why I'm, you know, being a little bit extra with it. But I'm sure you guys have seen this before. This is what it looks like on the front. You got your 2 outlets, 120 volts, and then your basically your weather cover. So this is just rubber, and it has like a magnet around it, or at the bottom. I think it's just at the bottom, and it's just to hold it in place. It has like a little hole right here, like a notch, so it's not, you know, like fully sealed, but from like rain, you know, a splash or something like that, it'll definitely protect that, or dust. It doesn't have the co-minder thing, so this is just a basically carbon monoxide sensor, and that's basically kind of like a dummy proof system. So everybody should know by now that you're not supposed to use generators indoors. So if I was to like turn this on right now, I'd definitely kill myself. But with this generator, I actually probably wouldn't, because it would turn itself off once it read that there was too much carbon monoxide in the area. So anyway, a lot of people don't like that, but it is what it is. I don't mind it. Got a couple lights, oil alert check, overload, and the output indicator. That's, I think this one just tells you when it's putting power out. So it is Bluetooth capable. I won't be turning it on today, obviously, because, well, I haven't told you guys, but I don't have the right oil. I was actually considering putting some synthetic oil in it. And this thing is actually still under warranty regardless, because it's not over 3 years old, and the box says it's for 3 years. So I'm just going to use the recommended oil, as you probably should anyway. It's got the eco throttle, your fuse, which is a 20 amp fuse, and your parallel operation outlets. So that'll be for the companion, or just for another one of these if you wanted to. But I mean, I'm really happy with it. Obviously I haven't got to use it yet, but the things I bought, just so you guys know if you're curious, is I bought the stuff to make the oil change easier. So that's like the little, it's stuff that you screw into the spout. So it's going to be basically an extension to that, to make it easier to fill, easier to drain. And then my favorite thing is the new dipstick that has a magnet on it. And I did, you know, pretty good amount of research. That's why I haven't used it, even though I got it like a week ago. It's because I just wanted to make sure I was doing everything right. And people that posted breaking in their generators, they use that dipstick before they even turned it on the first time, as I recommend, and hopefully we can see results here too. But they had a bunch of small metal shavings on the magnet during that break-in period, which again, Honda does not recommend it. They don't not recommend it either, but they say you don't have to do it, you don't need it, it's not something that you have to do for the warranty or whatever. But people would see during the first like 2 uses shavings, and then after that it's kind of okay. But that definitely, to me, means that it needs to break in. And I like to take care of my stuff, even though it is a Honda product, and I'm sure it's going to last forever, you know. I will be doing that. So just like, subscribe, and then just stay tuned for that. I will be doing that possibly in the next video. I actually just ordered the oil today from Amazon, and I ordered the genuine 10W30 Honda oil for the generators, and it'll be here in 2 days. So hopefully that's when I'll be doing that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.